Yes, hello, Kishore. This is Ray, and I will be going over your new website with you for Tandoori Paradise. This is the new website. This is the homepage of your website. As you can see, the website has a full-size background that you can have images serving as a background for all of the pages. Now, I'm using the same image for all of the pages, but you can actually have a different picture as the background for each page. So when you first land on the home page, this is the home page here, you're introduced with a welcome message and a slideshow. And this slideshow will basically rotate through different dishes. And you can have as many as you want. I didn't have any pictures or content from you at all for the website, so what I did was I just took pictures online that I found. All of the pictures will have to be replaced with your own. You can do that using the visual editor. I'll provide you with tutorials. However, you can see it's a very nice introduction. You have a welcome message. You can change this as often as you want. You have headlines here for each image, so you could have the name of each dish. You also have a welcome message here, and it's just a nice area for you to type some sort of a statement to your customers that come to your website. And then you have some more pictures of dishes along with some more information about your restaurant. Now, these don't necessarily have to be pictures of food. These can be pictures of the interior of the restaurant, of the catering area. You can use your imagination, but again, this is the home page. You have your navigation bar up here. This is where the logo is going to be placed. I'm going to show you the finished logo. I did fill it in with some color. Another thing you'll notice right here to the left, as you scroll down, this item follows you. And when you click on it, you're taken to the menu. And that's just a nice feature that I added so that no matter what page anybody is on, because you are a restaurant, of course, they're going to want to look at the menu at one point. So having this here on all the pages makes it very easy. And then on the bottom, we'll have your social links. I'll need you to provide me with the links to Facebook, Twitter, and your Google profile. So this is the home page. Again, you have a slideshow of different dishes, or you can have pictures of the restaurant. You can have a welcome message here. You also have an area here for another message. And then you have some more pictures and content right on the home page. Very nice, full-size background. I looked at all of the examples you provided, and I believe that I incorporated all of the elements you liked into this website. Now, if you go to the About page, this is one of the sub-pages of the website. You'll see this has a different picture on the background. And you can see that the background goes all the way from top to bottom. And this is the logo that I have for you. I took the logo that you liked and I put Tandoori Paradise. I changed the font and I also added some color. If you like this logo, I can go ahead and put it here in the top left so it's also on the top portion of your website. Now, I didn't have any content from you at all, so what I did was I just quickly put together some content to fill up the pages of the website. You can use these pictures, however, you cannot use the pictures of the dishes. I don't know if they are royalty free, I just found them online, but I needed something to fill up the website. This picture I know you can use without any problems because I got this from a subscription I used to an image database. And basically, I just wanted to fill up the page with some content for you to see how it looks like with some wording. You'll have to log in and type up whatever you want on this page. It's very easy to do. It's a visual editor. Or if you want to type it up in a Word document, you can email it to me. I'll be glad to put the content in for you, but I will need you to provide it as a Word document for me, and I can copy it over to your website. Otherwise, you can wait till I move the website to your domain, and you can do it at your leisure. On the left-hand side, we have some picture gallery here. I thought it would be a good idea to have a scrolling picture gallery of different foods, maybe of the interior of the restaurant. We have links to the other pages of the website, your address, and Google Maps. So if somebody wants to get your address, your phone number, they have that here. And every page ends with your logo. And again, notice here where it says menu, this follows you. So if somebody wants to go to your menu, they can. I want to show you the menu. Let's go to the menu. And if we click on here, you'll see I have the menu set up in a very interesting way to keep things organized. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of dishes, so I wanted to keep things very organized by having drop downs. So for instance, always open is going to be your current specialties or your current specials for the day. Very easy to change this as often as you want. So if your specials change every day or week, you can very easily change this. You have the dish name, a picture, a description, and a price. Now, you can then have your regular lunch menu here. When you click on it, it'll drop down and show you your lunch menu. And you can have as much content here as you want because it'll stay closed when you're on something else. So even if you have 20 or 30 more dishes for your lunch menu, it won't take up and scroll infinitely because it'll be locked away until someone clicks on it. And then you have your lunch, you have your dinner menu. You can see that when you're looking at one menu, another one, the other one's closed. And then you have a wine list or beverage list. Very nice way of keeping everything organized on your menu. You guys can change this as often as you want. I'll provide you with tutorials on how that works. And if we go here to catering, you'll see that I have also a page set up. And again, you can change this text. So if you want to put your own wording, you can. People can put in their name, their phone number, the day of their event, whether it's a birthday party, corporate event, whatever the case might be. And they can select the day and time of the event, how long the event is, and they can send this to you in an email so that you can reply back if somebody wants to either come in for catering or have you do on-location catering. This would be the form for people to request information. If we go here to location and hours, you'll see that I have basically a very standard address, Google Maps page set up with your phone number and your logo. Now again, this follows you no matter what page, and if you click on it, you'll go directly to the menu. So I thought that would be a very nice touch. You can see it keeps things very simple. So this is basically the website based on the examples that you gave me that I've set up for you. You can see the website has a full-size background. As you saw, the background image can be different for every page. I have the actual website content on a menu, if you see here, so it's not just a static background. I kept it very unique looking for you. I used a unique looking pattern here, nice little phone icon. I kept it very elegant, very simple to navigate. You can add as many pages as you want to the website. Once I move it to your domain, you can go ahead and log in, change all the content, all the menu items, and you can start using the website right away. I will need you to provide me with the links to your social networks, and I'll be waiting for your feedback. You can tell me anything about the website that you'd like changed. I'll be glad to change it for you. But again, if we go here, I just want you to see the menu, the logo. This is the logo that you preferred. As you can see, I filled in the coloring. I'm going to email you this logo as well in a larger format so you can see it, and if you're happy with it, I can go ahead and put it up here for you and you're ready to go. Thank you so much for your patience, Kishore. I look forward to your feedback.